Don't say it. Hey guys, welcome to JoJo's Snack or Fail. Today we're reviewing Gushers. Gushers. They squirt out when you bite into them. Okay, this is a Gushers bag. Let's open this up. Yeah. Look at that. Where do you have that? How do you like? I can open a chip bag. Okay, it worked. You grab one too. Grab one. I would say it smells like an orange. Really? I would say it smells like an orange. Really? It looks like a hexagon. It looks like a hexagon. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this literally now. We need to try it. Gummy. It just feels like apple juice. I feel the squirt out. I'll give it I'm giving it 10 thumbs up, literally. I would like to play these in video games for like forever. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Well, guys, if you like what you saw, click this subscribe button. They have not